Join me as I test drive the brand new Lexus RX and see if it really lives up to the title of 2025's most luxurious SUV. The Lexus RX has always been a benchmark in the luxury SUV segment, known for its exceptional comfort, impressive performance, and stunning design. The luxury SUV market has become increasingly crowded in recent years, with many manufacturers vying for attention. Consumers have high expectations for new models, demanding the latest technology, sleek designs, and exceptional performance. Many of these new SUVs are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, with advanced safety features and impressive infotainment systems. The competition is fierce, with brands like Audi, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz all offering high-quality options. As a result, manufacturers must continually innovate and improve to stay ahead of the curve. The Lexus RX is no exception, with the 2025 model boasting a range of exciting new features. Its sleek design is both elegant and aggressive, with a stunning exterior that's sure to turn heads. The interior is equally impressive, with premium materials and advanced technology throughout. The RX's performance is also noteworthy, with a powerful engine and smooth handling that makes it a joy to drive. The 2025 Lexus RX features a range of advanced safety features, including a state-of-the-art collision avoidance system and a comprehensive suite of airbags. The infotainment system is also highly impressive, with a large touchscreen display and intuitive controls. The RX's luxury features are equally impressive, with heated and cooled seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium sound system. The new Lexus RX has a number of exciting innovations that set it apart from other luxury SUVs. One of the most significant is its advanced all-wheel drive system, which provides exceptional traction and control. The RX also features a range of drive modes, including a sport mode that unleashes the full potential of the engine. The interior is also highly customizable, with a range of trim options and color schemes to choose from. Perhaps most exciting, however, is the RX's new hybrid powertrain, which offers exceptional fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. The hybrid powertrain is a game-changer, offering a significant reduction in emissions and fuel consumption. The RX's electric motor provides instant torque and smooth acceleration, making it feel incredibly responsive. The engine is also remarkably quiet, with a refined and sophisticated sound that's typical of Lexus. The RX's suspension is also highly impressive, with a smooth and comfortable ride that's perfect for long road trips. The RX's technology is also highly advanced, with a range of innovative features that make it feel like a true luxury vehicle. The infotainment system is highly intuitive, with a large touchscreen display and simple controls. The RX also features a range of advanced safety features, including a 360-degree camera system and a blind spot monitoring system. The RX's luxury features are equally impressive, with a range of premium materials and advanced technology throughout. The RX's standout feature is undoubtedly its new hybrid powertrain, which offers exceptional fuel efficiency and performance. This innovative technology sets the RX apart from other luxury SUVs, making it a highly compelling option for those looking for a high-end vehicle. The RX's advanced safety features and luxurious interior also make it an excellent choice for families or those who value comfort and refinement. In summary, the 2025 Lexus RX is an exceptional luxury SUV that offers a range of exciting features and innovations. With its advanced hybrid powertrain, sleek design, and luxurious interior, the RX is sure to be a top contender in the luxury SUV market. Let me know what you think about the new Lexus RX in the comments below, and be sure to check out my next video where I'll be reviewing another exciting luxury SUV.